Let's be honest, we've all been there. You learn a new language, memorizing phrases from the textbook, and then while talking to a real person, you sound, well, a little like a robot. But what if your first few words could do more? What if they could open the door to warm, genuine conversation? I'm going to give you the conversational keys to Ukrainian, so you don't just introduce yourself, you make an instant, positive and memorable impression. Let's look at the difference. First, here's the standard introduction pretty much everyone learns. Добрий день, мене звати Джон. Я з Америки. Hello, my name is John, I'm from America. Is it grammatically wrong? No, not at all. It's 100% correct. It's what an app would teach you. Now picture saying this instead. Привіт, я Джон. Я зараз вивчаю українську, тому що мені дуже подобається ваша культура. Hi, I'm John. I'm currently learning Ukrainian because I really love your culture. Feel the shift. The second one is warmer, more personal, and it immediately gives another person a reason to engage. It turns a boring intro into the start of a real conversation. For formal situations, your best friend is Добрий день. It literally means good day, and it's your go-to for talking with strangers, people older than you, in shops or any professional setting. For informal situations with family or people your own age, you'll want to use привіт. This is your classic hi. It's friendly, casual, and perfect for relaxed settings. To add another layer of polish, you can match your greeting to the time of the day. Before noon, use доброго ранку for good morning. In the evening, switch to добрий вечір. Okay, you've nailed the greeting. Now, how do you say your name without sounding like you are reading from a script? The classic phrase is мене звати. My name is. For example, мене звати Сара. My name is Sarah. It's perfectly fine for both formal and informal chats. However, a more direct and conversational way is just to use я, meaning I am. For example, привіт, я Павло. Hi, I'm Pavlo. It's simple, confident, and feels totally natural. As you see, in this sentence, the verb to be is skipped. To learn why it happens, you can check the video on my channel about the verb to be. After you state your name, you need to ask for theirs. This is what turns a statement into a real conversation. Just add а вас and you for formal situations, а тебе and you for informal situations. You've said hello, shared your name, and you're navigating the formal-informal landscape. Now for the finishing touch, the part that shows you're genuinely interested. First, learn the right response when someone tells you their name. The most natural and common phrase is дуже приємно, which means very pleasant. Next, add a bit more about yourself. You can say where you are from with я з. For example, I'm from Canada. Я з Канади. But here is the real game changer. Share why you are learning Ukrainian language. This is such a powerful way to show respect and true interest. You can say я вивчаю українську мову, тому що I am learning Ukrainian because, and then add your reason. Мені подобається українська культура. I like Ukrainian culture. Я маю друзів з України. I have friends from Ukraine. Я хочу подорожувати Україною. I want to travel around Ukraine. Now I will take one of this reason and will make the whole sentence. Я вивчаю українську мову, тому що я маю друзів з України. I am learning Ukrainian because I have friends from Ukraine. So there is a roadmap. Now it's your turn. Drop the introduction in the comments below, using what you just learned. I'll do my best to read through and give you the feedback. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more lessons. Thanks for learning with me. See you soon. Papa!